Hi, this is Suki. In this video, I want to show you how I make glow-in-the-dark cold porcelain clay. This is the ghost I make. There's a girl version and a boy version. And they can glow in the dark. First, I have another video about how to make cold porcelain clay. And you need 3 things: pre-made cold porcelain clay, glow-in-the-dark pigment powder, and white acrylic paint. I use the white acrylic paint because I want to make a ghost. If you want to make other things which can glow in the dark, such as moon, then you add yellow color. Also, another reason is the cold porcelain clay I make is a little bit translucent. So if you want to make white color, you really need to add acrylic paint white color. Please add small amounts each time and mix well. And then add small amounts again and mix. Repeat the process. Of course, if you add more glow-in-the-dark pigments, then it can glow stronger in the dark. Here I have added several times. This is the last time I add. Mix, mix, mix. Let's see the results. Turn on the UV light, and this is like charging. You have more light shine on it, it absorbs the energy, and turn it off. See, it can glow. We're ready. You can use it to make the ghost. I have another video about sculpting the ghost. Thank you for watching. Bye.